How to log into Wells Fargo Internet Banking account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your Wells Fargo Internet Banking account online. So let's get started. So first thing, just search in for wellsfargo.com on any of your browser and simply click on this enroll button once you are on the home screen of that particular page. And before you log into internet banking account, you must set your or enroll to Wells Fargo account, so keep that in mind. So from over here, you just have to enter your social security number as well as your date of birth if you don't have an social security number. And once you fill up all of those information, just click on continue and finally click on sign in button, where you'll need to enter your register username as well as your password and simply click on sign in. And if you ever forget your username or password, you can just tap on that forget button to simply reset your password as well. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.